Hi, this is Ron Janish. Before we get into looking at the market this week and what's likely to happen next week, first I'd like to tell you about something new for the gentleman traders. If you go to gentlemantrader.com, you can sign up. Right now there's a special. It's only $1 for the first week. And of course there's a money back guarantee on that first week. One of the new things that we're going to be giving out to the gentleman and the gentleman trader is stocks that we find extremely interesting. As you know, we already focus on different groups. Whenever the Lenny model has a number of stocks that are in a specific group, we let the gentleman traders know about that because that group is very likely to make a very nice move. The last group that did that was the semiconductors, and we mentioned it here several weeks ago. So, and generally that kind of a move is good for a week or 10 days, and we let you know when we're out of that. These are things we take ourselves. Right here, you can see that Lenny right now is long FED and DZZ. FED is kind of interesting. We mentioned that to the gentleman traders last year. Yeah, last year. That wasn't too long ago. And the reason we mentioned it was because we also noted that there was a huge short position in this one. And as far as I know, there still is. I guess we'll find out. This is remember, the regular Lenny technology has a much shorter time frame orientation. Looks for something that happens within 10 days, generally speaking, 10 market days. Whereas the new one, the Winnie, looks for something that takes generally 3 to 15 weeks and has a much bigger target than the Lenny technology. And so we're going to be looking at the Winnie technology, and that's like we call it Winnie because that's really a weekly focus. And these are the three stocks right now in the Winnie portfolio, and we'll keep you up to date as to how that works out and what's in that. Let's also take a look at the market without any further ado. Here is the S&P, and here is November 22nd. Now, what's special about November 22nd? Well, let's take a quick look. I'm sorry, November 21st. I don't know why I have November 22nd on the brain. But November 21st was a day that the daily tracker at tradersalpha.com gave it a point value of 7, positive 7. And this site is not updated, and we're going to see to it that it does get updated. And if you notice, this 7 here occurred. And my recollection is that since that time frame, there haven't been any numbers higher than 7, and also the biggest negative number is what we have today. And today the MIT daily tracker count is -7, and even though the market went up 200-300 points today, right? And the forecast for tomorrow is somewhere near that. So tomorrow, that would be Monday, of course. So let's take a look at some more charts. Okay, so we see that here was a positive 7, looking at up here being a negative 7, and we'll see how that works out. That should be interesting. And let's see. Here's Brazil, EWZ, the chart for Brazil, and this one here is trying to get up to that line up here, which chances are it won't make. My guess is that either today was the high, or the high for this up move here will come. If we look at it in terms of the S&P, either this was the high today, and down we go past this line down here, and then we travel on down to try to make it to the next line, or it'll go just a tad higher this week. That is possible. and then do that reversal. So we will probably be able to tell you uh, by by the next time we put together this wonderful weekly video. And in the meantime, we invite you to go to andrewscourse.com and get yourself a manual. And also, special this week, right now, New Year's special, you can get this software that you see right here, the Precision Trader. Okay, you can get yourself a copy of this software, no charge, free, FREE free, full, same version you see here, you see me using here, no questions. What's the catch? Well, there's a catch. It's not totally free. It's because we give support to it. And if you get yourself the either Andrew's course, the basic or the advanced one, you will get to have a copy of the software in your hot little hands very quickly. So I thank you for your time, and please join us again here soon. Goodbye.